The month of May is my favorite one in spring. Nature impresses us with its fertility each year after a long and cold winter. Going outside to forage field herbs is our traditional May activity in the German countryside. And that's what I'm gonna show you in this vlog. Now in spring is the perfect time to go foraging because as the plants are growing, they put all the energy and the nutrients into the leaves. So it's very healthy to eat them now. A local restaurant owner once told me that it's the most healthy thing to eat fresh field herbs in spring, because they aren't as overbred as field crops. You won't find any greens that are fresher, and also our ancestors went out foraging during this time of the year to get their vitamins in after the winter. The herb I'm harvesting here is called yarrow. It is also a natural medicine because of its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and has lots of healthy bitter substances. I also went further into the forest to get some nettle. There is no other plant that is praised more for its health benefits than the stinging nettle. It's been used for healing purposes for so long that no one knows when it began, but it really helps with blood sugar control, to lower blood pressure, to reduce inflammation, and it's also used to detoxify the body and to heal joint illnesses. I can't talk about all its benefits now, there are too many. The nettle is a plant you can't go wrong with because it burns if you touch it. So I don't think that you will mistake it with another one, and it's safe to harvest for everyone. But if you touch it carefully, it won't burn you. Got burned a lot during I harvested the stinging nettles, but they say it stimulates the blood flow, so it's okay, I guess. I took some of the nettles to dry them to tea for the winter. With the rest, I made lovely hearty nettle pasties. important to wash the nettles very well first. I decided to cut them into smaller pieces. Steam them in a pan until they shrink in size. I took a ready-made puff pastry because, making it myself would be a lot of work. I cut the puff pastry into little squares that I filled with the nettles. To finish the filling, you can take your favorite cheese or cheese alternative. When they are finished, you put them into the oven and bake them as long as it's written on the package of the puff pastry. Meanwhile, I also prepared a yarrow carrot salad. I think yarrow and carrots is the most wonderful combination. My dad and I sometimes made it when I was a child. And I don't know, this herb and the carrots just go so well with each other. Here you go, a fresh spring forest lunch, full of vitamins and minerals. I hope you enjoyed, friends. Have you been foraging this year already? And what can be foraged in your country? I'm very curious to know. Have the most beautiful week and see you soon.